Okay, let's pick up where we left off, and let's change make an adjustment for children. So currently, children has values of something like 0 through 5 or something like that in this particular data set. And since it's a discrete variable, we don't know for sure if the difference between 0 children and 1 children has the same effect on charges as 1 child versus 2 children, or 1 versus 3, or each of those others. So it might be better characterized as an ordinal variable. And sometimes with these ordinal variables, where it is rank ordered, but the difference between each value is not necessarily conceptually the same, sometimes we'll convert them to categorical variables and see if that improves our accuracy of our predictions. So to do that, let's go back to our pipelines or designer, and this pipeline, and now I'm going to grab an edit metadata pill, and I can put this anywhere I want, either after insurance, after apply math operation, after select columns. Doesn't really matter. I'll lead with this one so that my insurance, I was going to move that. My insurance goes directly into edit metadata, and then edit metadata goes into apply math operation, which means I have to delete that first. All right, close enough. That's as good as I can make it look. So I'm going to click on that and say select the column children. Save. And the data type, we can change it to a string, but I can go straight to making it categorical right here. So to make this now, I'll do both here. This is a string categorical data. I'm not going to. This is how I can mess with all types of features at the same time. I'm not going to worry about those. So let's go ahead and rerun everything and see what this does to our R-squared. Remembering that our R-squared previously was 76%. Okay, let's give this a shot. We'll keep it here on this same insurance charges linear regression. All right, this one was a little longer, 12.5 minutes, but let's see what we got here. This data, notice, just take a look at what it looks like here. Nothing's actually changed in the data. It's still 0 through 5, but the difference is now this is a bar chart rather than a histogram like we had before, and it's going to be interpreted as a category. And so 0 children is treated the same as 1, 1 the same as 3, and 2 and everything else. It's basically dummy coded. So let's see what this looks like. All right, we were at 76% or 75.99, and now we barely increased just a little bit. But since we didn't add a new feature, we're not adding additional unnecessary features to the model. Even though it was only a very, very slight improvement, I would go ahead and keep that improvement. So that's how we convert ordinal numeric data to categorical.